Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I wasn't gonna film today, but we went to the Asian market the other day and picked up some new noodles because I make jjajangmyeon almost on a regular basis, but I usually do either like spaghetti pasta or noodles from like chicken ramen. Clearly you throw the pack out, but I found in the refrigerated section they have the jjajang noodles, like the long, well, that's a short one, but like the long, thick jjajangmyeon noodles. And I picked up a new container of black bean sauce, which has the same ingredients as the old container, but it's rainy outside. There's a storm brewing, so you're gonna hear that in the background. And I'm just ready to go. Look at this. Yeah, got some cucumbers on the side. I have another root beer because it's so good, and a bottle of water. Let's just, you hear it? Let's just dive in, you know? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Every time I make jjajangmyeon, even though I know how to make it now, I still I still watch Mommy Tang's video every time I make it. I don't know why. It's kind of like we're cooking together. I don't know. But I've learned to make jjajangmyeon by, like, off the top of my head now. Let me just say the noodles make all the difference. Wow. Wow. It actually feels like I'm eating jjajangmyeon now because I'm using the correct noodles. So good. So good. I think I might have added too much sugar, so either that or I'm just addicted to salt. I'm just gonna add just a little more. I don't need you coming for me. I know there's already a shit ton of salt in here. I know. But I did add a good amount of sugar. And I also grabbed a big cooking spoon because I want to get the bits and pieces of the onion and everything. She is so good. It's so dark out. Oh, here comes the rain. I really hope it doesn't ruin my video. I really want to drink some root beer, but it's gonna fill me up so fast. I really hope the rain doesn't get bad, because then I might not upload this. And I really want to upload this because it's just so damn good. I go back on my videos and watch them, and I love my noodle videos, my jaja. So today was my first day of work. At my new job, I love it. I can already see myself like becoming one of the good, not good servers because we're all good, but one of like the top servers, because I've been doing this so long. Like, it kind of came natural to me. There's just a couple things I have to learn, which you have to in every new job you start. There's always something new to learn, but I'm excited. Like, the money there is money to be made. Like, oh yes, I'm so excited. I hope you guys tried JJAJANGMYEON by now. It really is the tits, honestly. It is so good. It's just a flavor that you can't really describe. Sweet, savory, comfort, fattening. There's a lot of oil. I didn't put nearly as much oil as I know they do in the restaurants, and I put a good amount. I'm an eyelash or something. Fuck it. It's Monday now. Today was my first day, and by the end of the week I will be on my own, no more training, so I could really start making that money. I am just so excited. It's been too long. Literally, it's been since February since I made some like real cash money tips. You'll be surprised. Like, a lot of people think serving's a joke and like, get a real job. Like, bruh, I can probably make more than you can and then some. You make legit money there. You're pretty much in control with how much you want to make. Your service, for the most part, is based off of, or your tips are based off of your service. I had to go in at 6:30 today, so I was up. I made sure to take a shower last night, so I was up by like 5:45. Somehow I ended up putting on a little bit of makeup, and you're like super tired when you wake up, but once you're up, you're up. And the day flew by. It went by so fast. I was super excited about that, but I'm really excited for the future and with this job. And crazy, my trainer is also vegan, and I work at like a breakfast place, so it's crazy. Back to the crappy lighting. I have my blinds open, but I opened them when I started cleaning, and oh my god, the lightning. Once I was done cooking, or I opened them when I was cooking. Once I was finished, it was literally so dark, so I have to use my ring light. Oh well. I see you judging me. So what were you guys up to today? Or what are you guys up to on this day that you're watching? I have to burp. I put a lot of salt. Fuck. My face is gonna be even puffier in the morning. Great. No, don't. I think with these noodles next time, I'm gonna cook them either in salt or cook them in like beef broth. Well, the vegan beef broth cubes, just to give it more flavor, you know. This was my first time making the noodles. I don't want to drink anymore. I'm already getting full. So if I take another sip, it's just gonna be game over. If you're here for the mukbang, that makes no sense because all my videos are mukbangs. If you watch mukbangs on a regular, what are your favorite types of food to see? I know like one of the most popular is like noodle dishes. That's one of my favorites. What about you? What do you guys like to see? Not just from me, but like other mukbangers. It looks so crappy out. I feel like this is what England looks like all the time because it's so rainy there. Just gray, like completely gray. Almost done. I did a lot better than I thought I would. I'm getting full. I think this is gonna be my last bite. I'm full, and this freaking rain and thunder, I know the quality, like the sound in the back is gonna be shit. I already know. So I might not even post this. I don't know. Okay. Also the water, like I get so thirsty, but when I drink pretty much anything while I'm eating, I just get so full. Sounds like a bunch of balls hitting the floor. That was so good. Super filling. I made a lot, and this dish is so cheap too. Like the noodles were about $3, but it came with a lot of noodles. Like my big old plate, he has a big plate upstairs, and there's some left over. And then the sauce, I paid $5 for the tub, but it's a big tub. It's like that big, that thick, so it'll last me a while, depending on how much I make jjajangmyeon. I got like some cabbage in there, zucchini and onion. Cabbage, zucchini, onion, potatoes. A little bit of minced garlic. It's a really cheap dish, and it's very versatile. You don't have to have all of these vegetables in there. Although I do recommend onion. I also recommend cabbage. I think cabbage is really good in this, but you don't need the potatoes. You don't need the zucchini. You can add whatever you want. And then a lot of people like to add on the side cucumbers, or they do like radish or like pickled something just to cut the fat from the noodles. They like to have it on the side, and I think it's awesome. All right, guys, my last bite. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be sprawled out on the bed after this. I promise. Cheers. Done. I feel like this lighting, you can see everything. Oh. Okay, that is it for today's video. I am so full. It was delicious. And I definitely recommend you try jjajangmyeon, whether you buy it in a restaurant or make it yourself, or get the instant jjajangmyeon, which was the first time I tried it. And honestly, not gonna lie, I feel like the instant is my favorite, just because I haven't quite perfected the seasoning part of jjajangmyeon. It's still really good though, but nonetheless, you definitely need to try this. Such a good dish. So good. But yeah, I'm gonna go lay down now because I feel very full. And I'm gonna enjoy this rainy weather because I love laying down in the bed. I gotta burp again. I love laying down in the bed and listening to the sound of like the rain and thunderstorm. It's just good vibes. I like it. And it's gonna make me go to sleep because, like I said, I was up at 5:45 and I'm a little tired. So we'll see. I'm trying to keep myself awake so I can get into the habit of waking up early. But yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.